Recording in progress.
Yes. Now we did discussed till the class mammals. Okay. Now we will go with the second phylum, phylum Arthropod. Initially, we started with the phylum of the. We were discussing kingdom Animalia. Okay. In the kingdom Animalia, we discussed about the phylum Vertebrates, and in the phylum Vertebrate, we discussed all the classes and all the organisms which are vertebrate, okay, which have a vertebral column, right? Are you clear with this? We have discussed class fish, class reptile, class birds, class amphibians, class mammals in the previous lectures. Now we are going to discuss about the phylum Arthropods. Are you clear with this? Rohan, can you hear me?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So if you have any question in these phylums, in these classes, class fish, class reptiles, class birds, amphibians or mammals, you can ask me.
Okay. There is nothing right now. I don't know.
Now we are going to discuss about the phylum Arthropods. Okay, this is the second phylum of the kingdom Animalia.
But so there's like 5 phylums in kingdom Animalia.
Phylum Nematodes, phylum Arthropods, phylum Annelids, phylum Mollusks, and phylum Vertebrates. We are done with the phylum Vertebrate.
Yeah.
Okay, now
but
we are going
can
to...
I just know about Annelids and Mollusks?
Sorry?
Mollusks. Can I know like a lot about phylum Annelids and phylum Mollusks?
Firstly, there is phylum Arthropod. We will do this.
Okay.
We are going in the sequence, and then we will discuss it. Phylum Annelid, phylum Mollusk. Okay. So, firstly, phylum Arthropods. When we talk about the arthropods, just keep this in mind. It is from the arthritis. Okay, it is from the arthritis. Like it is related to the joints. Okay, it means they have jointed legs. Their legs are not separated. Arthropods are animals with jointed legs but no backbone. They don't have backbone. That's why they are not in phylum Vertebrate. You see, we have discussed 5 classes in phylum Vertebrate. But the phylum Arthropod is not in this. Why it is not in this? Because arthropods don't have a vertebral column. Okay? They don't have backbone. Are you clear with this?
Yeah.
Only these organisms will have backbone. Otherwise, phylum Nematodes, phylum Arthropods, Annelids, mollusks, they don't have any of the vertebral column. The vertebral column will be absent in them. Clear? So first thing about the phylum Arthropod is that they have jointed legs. Just keep in mind about the insects. They have jointed legs. Secondary, when we talk about these, we say that they don't have any backbone. Okay, you have seen insects. Insects don't have any backbone. They are too fragile. They are a very successful group because they have a waterproof exoskeleton. Okay, they have a waterproof exoskeleton that has allowed them to live on dry land. Now, what is the difference between exoskeleton and endoskeleton? If you consider your body, can you tell me your bones are outside or your flesh is outside?
My flesh is outside and my bones are inside.
Bones are inside. That is endoskeleton. It means your skeleton is inside. But when we talk about these insects, their skeleton is on outside. Okay, they are exoskeletons. Clear? So the 3 things which we have discussed so far about the arthropod is that they have jointed legs. The first thing, okay, mention it on your book as well. Highlight these things. They have jointed legs. Secondary, they have no backbone. That's why they are invertebrate.
So it's like what's it called? Like shells that like shell insects, like that type.
Not like the shell, just like this. You see this. This is a locust.
Yeah, insects, spiders.
Yeah, insects. This is a jointed leg. You see, this is a jointed leg. This is not a separate leg. That's why it is mentioned here that they have jointed leg. And you see their skeleton is outside. This whole skeleton, this is clear to everyone. Everyone can see this. Their leg or their wing or thorax or head. But when we talk about our brain or our central nervous system, no one can see it from the outside because there is flesh and the skull is covered with the flesh, right? So we are in the category of endoskeleton. But when we talk about these organisms, the organism of the phylum Arthropods, they have waterproof exoskeleton. Okay, now what is meant by waterproof?
Like
In the water,
like
it will not dissolve. Anything
yeah,
which
it
is
will not, yeah,
waterproof will remain
it
same
won't
in
like
the water. Okay, just like
yeah.
we have watches, waterproof watches, or we have phones. Those are waterproof. What does that mean? That in the water they remain same. Okay, their functions don't change. So when we talk about the phylum arthropod organisms, they are also waterproof. Okay, they are exoskeleton
Yeah.
that has allowed them to live on dry land. Clear?
Yeah.
There are more kind of arthropod in the world than all other kind of animal put together. Now what they are saying, this is important. There are more kind of arthropods in the world than all other kind of animals put together. Now what they are saying, that arthropods are maximum in number in comparison of every other organism, in comparison of every other animal. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Now what are the characteristics? They have several pairs of the jointed leg, the first thing, and they have exoskeleton, and the third thing is second thing is exoskeleton. They no backbone, right? And they
Yeah.
are most abundant.
Yeah.
Clear? Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Can you repeat these? What are the things in
Okay.
the phylum
It's
arthropod?
phylum
Characteristics.
arthropods are okay. The characteristics are they have like joint legs, but they have no backbone,
Yes.
and they're like waterproof exoskeleton, so like they won't dissolve in water,
Yes.
and
It is. I was
like
just telling you
they
that they. I was just in literal meaning. You will not write that they will
yeah
not dissolve in water.
yeah
You will
no
say
no
they can survive in water. They have
yeah they can survive
their skeleton remain intact. Okay, intact.
yeah and
Okay, then
what's it called that's it.
yes, and they are most abundant among all
Yeah.
the animals. If we put all the animals of the world together, the phylum arthropod organism will be highest in number. Okay.
Yeah.
Now when we talk about the insects, insects are a very successful group of animals. Their success is mostly due to their exoskeleton, and trachea, which are very good at stopping water from evaporating from the insect body. Now
Yeah.
what they have mentioned, this is important. Please note this, that they are saying insects are a very successful group of animals. Their success is mostly due to their exoskeleton. Okay, due to their exoskeleton and trachea. Okay, now what is trachea? Trachea is present in the throat. Okay, in the throat, which are very good at stopping water
Yeah.
from evaporating from the insect's body, so they can live in very dry places. What they're saying is actually that, whenever there is a dry place, if consider yourself in a desert, okay, for one day, what will happen? After 2 or 3 hours you will start feeling thirsty, right? You need water. Is it true or not? When a person is in a desert,
Yeah,
after
it
two
is.
or 3 hours he need water to drink. He feels thirsty. So, but when we talk about the insects, they can live in the very dry places. How they can live in dry places? Because they can store water in them. Okay, but they have mentioned their trachea is helpful in stopping water from evaporating from the body. We as a human being, we have sweating due to heat. We
Hello.
feel there is sweating. The sweating on our body due to heat. On a hot day we feel sweating, we feel perspiration. You know this,
Glitching.
the sweating.
Your voice isn't clear.
I am saying when there is on a
Hello.
hot day there is sweating on our body. you see this? Am I audible?
Recording in progress.
Wait for a minute, I am just changing my network because I think there is an issue in the network.
Okay.
Okay, just wait for a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, I was telling you, on a hot day there is sweating on our body, right? We
Yes.
witness the sweating on our body. But when we talk about why this happens, because there is water loss
Of the
from our
heat.
body. Okay, because
Yeah.
water loss happen on the skin.
Yeah.
Okay, the water which is present in our body, it start to come on the surface, and there is evaporation and there is sweating. Okay, so water losses from the skin. But when we talk about the insects, they don't feel sweating. Okay, they don't have sweating or they don't feel perspiration. Why? Because in their body water can retain. Okay, the water can retain in
Yeah.
them. Why? Because of this trachea. Okay, this trachea help to retain water in them. Okay, the trachea is the organ in the
Yeah.
throat. Okay, it is present in the throat,
Yeah.
in the throat of insects. So this trachea help to retain water in their body. That's why they can survive in hot days, in hot conditions. Okay, they can survive in dry places. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
I am saying that insects can survive in dry places and they don't need much water because their exoskeleton as well as their trachea help to retain water in them. Okay, they
Yeah.
don't have frequent evaporation. Now when we talk about the characteristic arthropods with 3 pair of the jointed leg, they are arthropod with 3 pair of the jointed leg. Now what is meant by 3 pair? If you see, this is the first pair, this is second pair, and on the back side, on this side there is also third pair. Okay, they have 3 pairs of jointed leg. This is jointed leg. Clear?
Yeah.
They have 3 pairs of jointed legs, then 2 pairs of wings. 2 pairs of wings. No, they are not saying that they have just 2 wings, they have 2 pairs of wings. It means there are total 4 wings in them. Clear? If examiner asks you in the question, how many wings are there? So you will say total 4 wings. And if examiner say how many pairs of wings are there, then you will say 2 pairs of wings. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now they have mentioned one or both may be vestigial. You know what this terminology? Vestigial. You know about the vestigial organs?
No.
Just like okay, there are some organs in any organism. There are some organs which have no function now. In the current time, their function is reduced. Their functional importance is reduced as compared to the previous time. Just like the appendix. Appendix in human beings, it is believed that it is a larger organ in our body, which is of no use. Okay, so similarly these wings, they say that these wings are vestigial. One or both may be vestigial. It means one pair is not important now. Are you clear with this terminology, vestigial? That a body part or any organ of the body which has lost its function. Okay, it has vestigial mean any organ which loses original function, okay, which loses its original function. Just like if we talk about wings, they're saying one or both may be vestigial. It means one wing has completely lost its function, or maybe two of the pair of the wings have lost it. One or both. Okay, they mentioned one or both. Okay, now they breathe through trachea. Yeah, this is what I was saying, that trachea is in our throat. Okay, it is present in the throat. Even this trachea is present in human beings as well. We will discuss it. So this will help in the breathing. Okay, because it is present in the throat, so it will help them to breathe. Body is divided into head. This is head part. Then there is thorax region. Okay, this is thorax. Just like chest, our chest region. Just like our chest region, there is thorax region in the insect. Okay, and then there is abdomen region. Okay, this one is the abdomen region. Clear? And there are these antennas. These are the antennas. This is about the insect. This is known as locust.
Yeah.
Clear? This is another example of insect, and there are so many different types of insects. Okay, then we have crustaceans, and okay, wait a minute.